Hey guys, welcome to Automotive Technica. This is Yogesh here, and today I have Maruti Suzuki Ritz with me here. And this car, I got it as a spare car because my Swift has gone for service and it will take much time due to some transmission problems. The first instance is like I filled 1,000 rupees petrol in this, approximately uh, 14.5 liters, and I had put some few kilometers, and I found that this car is very solid in build quality, nice and airy cabin here, good headroom, good suspensions, and the seat with the thigh support. What I have is very nice. So if you see here, the distance from here to this is more, and you will get a lot of thigh support. And what I believe is this car was called as Suzuki Splash in European market, and what we had here is Suzuki Ritz. And from the other side, we have a RPM meter console and one instrument panel cluster. So this is like will give you a feel of a sports car, but it's a tall boy. Why I like this car and to make I was inspired to make this video is because the build quality is rock solid. The gauge of this vehicle is more heavy, and when I gone over the potholes, I did not feel much, and the small undulations on the road or the rough roads I used to feel in the Swift and the rough noise. But here in Ritz, it is really awesome because was using Indica Vista earlier with me. So earlier I was having Indica Vista, and the build quality of Tata, you know that they are heavy, and on rough roads it's good. But here I have the similar feeling in Ritz, and the car is very sturdy, and it is very sad to see that the product is being stopped manufactured. So this is the view from inside, and I can see from all the directions apart from this B pillar is a bit thick, and the A pillar, this is slight bit obstruction but manageable. This is the good product from Suzuki, what I feel, because the view is very good, nice and airy cabin, and I wish that the OEM comes again with this super product. Thank you.